everyone! Welcome back again to Ramz tutorial. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're updated in my latest videos. Today class, we're going to discuss new topics. Welcome back again to Ramz tutorial. Good day everyone! Welcome back again to Ramz tutorial. Today, my dear students or my dear viewers, we're going to discuss about understanding Hindu-Arabic and Roman numeration system. What is Hindu-Arabic numeration system? The Hindu-Arabic numeration system uses the digits. And what are these digits? We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. To write numerals. In Roman numeration system, my dear students, we uses the letters. We have letter C, D, I, L, M, V, and X to write numerals. The values of the Roman numerals in the Hindu-Arabic are I 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500. These are the values of the Roman numerals. M, for our last letter, the value is 1000. Again, I 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. Those are the following values of Roman numerals and the Hindu-Arabic system. Let's have first an examples. Our examples, we have D is equal to 500 times 1000. If we're going to multiply class, we get 500,000. We have here I and V, so we have 4. The equivalent is 4. Why? V is 5, I is 1. So if, this is a reminder, my dear students, if lower what you call value first comes to greater value, we are going to subtract it. That means to say, for example, I is equivalent to 1, then V is equivalent to 5. But we're going to write first I and V, which is lower number comes before the bigger value. So all you have to do, my dear students, is you are going to subtract it. So V is 5. This will be the result. 5 minus 1. The result is 4, my dear students. Okay? That is our what you call roast. Lower number first comes to higher number, which is the bigger number, because V is equivalent to 5, which is 5 is greater than 1. 1 is less than 5. So that's why we're going to subtract it. This will be our roast. 5, the value of V, then 1 is the value of I. We subtract 5 minus 1, the result is 4. That's why we are going to read this one is 4. Okay? Therefore, my dear students, we're going to multiply 4 times 1000. The result is 4000. Okay, my dear students. And that is very what you call clear discussions on how to use or understand the Hindu-Arabic and Roman numeration system. First roll. So we have there are different, what we call several roles. The first is that these are roles to follow in writing Roman numerals. Number 1, only I, X, C, and M may be written 3 times. Okay? You can rewrite it 3 times in a number. That means, so see class, you can rewrite it 3 times. Okay? Examples. Triple I, double X, triple C, double M. That's 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 100 plus 100 plus 100, because C is equivalent to 100, this is 300. X is equivalent to 10, this one, double X is 20. Triple I, that is 3. Okay, my dear students, that's quietly cleared our discussions. That was for the first role. You can rewrite it or you can use it thrice. Tatlong basis po. Here we go, we're going to proceed to number 2 roles. Add the values. We can add it, join together, of the letters when they are alike, or when a letter of lesser value comes after a letter of greater value. That was my example earlier. This one. That is my example. That's role number 2. For our examples is we're going to use role number 2. So kapag lesser value comes after a letter of greater value. Next roles, we have role 3. Okay, we have another example, guys, before we proceed to number 3. Double C is equal to 100 plus 100. So we can write it twice. So we're going to join it together. We're going to plus. The result is 200. That's simple, guys. V and I. So greater value plus lower value. So you're going to add, not to subtract. When you subtract, when I first before V, that is subtraction. But remember, if it is greater value first before lower value, that means also you are going to add. The answer is 6. Okay, that's easy class for role number 2. Double X, so we have 10 plus 10, the answer is 20. Please follow my dear students. C and V, so remember C is 100, V is 5, so 100 plus 5, the answer is 105. Okay, again, my dear students, role number 2, you are going to have first greater value first before lower value. You are going to add. Next comes to number 3. Only I, X, and C are written before a letter of greater value. Okay, I, X, and C only. We can write it before a letter of greater value. So for example, I, V, I, X, XL, XC, CM. So that means to say automatically class the other letters. We can't write it. We can write it before a letter of a greater value. Okay, that means to say it's not what we called, we can choose it. Except for I, X, and C only. We can execute that. We can write it before a letter of a greater value, just like this one. We have 4, 9. This is what we call 40. This is 90, and this is 900. Okay, all we have to do here, class, these are the following examples. Okay? Later I will teach you how I'm going to read the following, what we call Arabic numeration systems. 4 roles. Subtract when the value of a letter is less than the value of the letter to its right. So for example, I and V, the value is 4. Because 5 minus 1, just like earlier class, is equal to 4. We're going to subtract it. Because lower first before the greater value. So that's the time you can subtract it, my dear students. Again, if lesser value comes first, then followed by greater value, subtract. If greater value comes first, then followed by lesser value, that means to say you are going to add. Okay? Here we go, class. Time to check our understanding. Keep practicing. Our challenge today, we have changed its Roman numeral to Hindu-Arabic numeral. And take note, vice versa. Roman numeral to Hindu-Arabic and Hindu-Arabic to what we called Roman numeral. Okay, we have first Roman numeral, Hindu-Arabic to Roman numeral. Okay, that's our challenge for today. Here we go. We are going to start number 1. What are the following letters for number 1? So we have how many X? 1, 2, 3. Well, we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Triple X, then 1 V. So this one, class, so remember X is 10. Okay? So we're going to plus. Okay? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus V. So that's we get 35. Okay? But how to do it? The first, remember X is what you call 10. So therefore, triple X, we're going to add triple 10. And then V is 5. We can add it 5. So we get 35. That's number 1. Number 2, M C M I X. Remember, greater value plus lower value, lesser value or lower value same, greater, lesser, and greater value. Okay, we have M. Remember, M again, class, is 1000. C is 100, so we have 1100 plus another 1000. Then this one, remember, this is I is 1, X is 10, so we are going to subtract. So we have first here M, we're going to write 1000 class. So C and M, this one, C and M, remember, lesser value then greater value. So we're going to subtract 100 to what we call 1000. So we're going to plus 100, then 1000, 1000 minus 100, so we have 900 class, plus I and X, this is 1 and this is 10, so we have 9. Okay, therefore our answer 1000 plus 900 plus 9, so we have our answer 909 rather. This will be our answer. 1909. That's for number 2. Next 3, we have triple C, L, and V. So we have here triple C is, say, remember, is 100, so we have 300. Okay, I'm going to write here 300 plus this one is 100. So since we have 3C, 100 plus 100 plus 100 is, we got 300 plus. So we're going to unlock first here or solve L and V. So remember, L is 50, then V is 5. So we have 55 plus triple I 3. Okay, so we have 355, 358. This will be our answer, guys. 358. That's our answer for number 3. Number 4, we have MDXIX. So M is 1000, D is what we called 500. So we have 1,500, guys. X is 10. So we have 1,510. And then remember, this is 9. So this is 1,519, guys. Okay. This will be our answer for number 4. 1,500. This is 10 and 9. This will be, guys, 10. This will be is 9. Okay. That's why we get 1,519. So again, next, number 5. Please follow, guys. D is what you called 500. L is 50. That's our value. Okay, 550 plus 10, 20, 30. 50, 60, 70, 80 plus I and V is 4. This is 4. So 500, 50, 60, 70, 80, 584. Okay, that's simple, guys. All we have to know here is we're going to memorize the different values of Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic. Next, we have 6, vice versa, Roman numerals, then to Hindu-Arabic, my dear students. So we have first, our given is 2,765. So this is 2,000. So M is 1,000. So we're going to write, okay, Roman numeral double M, that stands for 2,000. Okay, next is 700. So we have D, this is stands for 500. Then for 200, we are going to write Q or letter C. So this one, guys, 2,700. So next is 65. So we're going to write L, it stands for 50. Then X stands for 10, that's 60. Then we're going to add V for R, this one for 5. This is Roman numerals 2,765. Okay, that is very good, guys. Next is 854. Okay, for 854, guys, so we're going to write D. This is 500. C is 100. 6, 7, 800. Then L is 50. Then 4. You can write I and V. That is 854. Next, number 8, guys, 595. We're going to write D is our 500. Next, 95. So we have V and C. Remember, C is 100, V is 5. This is what we call 100 minus 5. That's the result, 95. This is DVC, stands for 595. Next, guys, is 10,430 to my dear students, and 1,009. Okay, so here we have 10,000, remember, so we can write it, and then 1,009 also. So first here, we're going to find it out, 10,000. So M is 1,000. So we can write it 3, that is 3,000. So by that, guys, we can multiply that using what we call bigger numbers. Okay, 9 and 10. So this will be R, or I will leave it blank in order for you to answer. This will be your what you call assignment or set works for today. So by using R, what you called Roman numeration system using the following values, my dear students. Okay, that's my what you call 9 and 10. That is your assignment. Hopefully, my dear students, you can comment below to our suggestion box, and please write your answer and I will check out if your answer is correct. Remember, the Roman numeration system uses the letters I, V, X, L, C, D, and M to write numerations. Unlike the Hindu-Arabic numeration systems, there is no symbols. Okay? If 4-0 in the Roman numeration system. Hope, my dear student, you understand about our topic today about understanding Hindu-Arabic and Roman numeration system. So long, class, and see you on my next video. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you are updated on my latest videos. Don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks for spending your time again, my dear viewers. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.